Hello friends, in last video we learned the first lesson of mathematics, that is number science. Today we are going to take exercise depend on that lesson. So let us see here, some questions are written here. Take out your notebook and write down these all questions. And I will explain here each question for you. Pay attention towards me. Let us see what is the first question. Question is, solve the following question. The first question for you is, which is the smallest 3-digit number? In last video I told you about that, okay? Smallest 1-digit number is 1 and greatest 1-digit number is 9. Smallest 2-digit number is what? 10. Greatest 2-digit number is what? 99. Smallest 3-digit number is what? 100. And greatest 3-digit number is what? 999. The question is for you, which is the smallest 3-digit number? And as per I told you, answer is what? 100. 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. Okay, the answer of first question. Okay, 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. After that, second question is for you, what? Write the number name. We have to write the number name. Number is given here for you. What is the number? 403. So let us see. If you want to write the number name, you have to learn all the spellings. 1 to 19, first of all, you have to learn spellings from 1 to 19. After that, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 18, 90, 100, 1000. If you learn these all the spellings, then you can easily write the name of numbers. Okay, so write the number name of 403. So you have to write here 400 and what? 3. This is your answer. Okay. After that, next question, third question is for you. What is the place value? You have to find out what? Place value. Don't get confused here. What? Place value and face value. But here you have to find out what? Place value of digit 5 in the given number. So at which place is 5 in the given number? Ones, tens, hundreds place. Okay. So what will be the place value of 5? The place value of 5 will be what? 500. That is your answer. Okay. 500 is your what? Answer. Okay. So we got the answer of third question. After that, we will move on fourth question. Fourth question is, who is the predecessor of 387? In last video, I told you what is mean by predecessor. Predecessor means nothing but before number. Okay? Predecessor means what? Before number. So, the predecessor of 387 is what? 386. Okay, this will be the predecessor of what? 387. Okay. After that, next question. In same way, who is the successor of 489? Then what is mean by successor? In last video I told you successor means nothing but what? After number. So the successor of what? 489 is what? 490. This is your answer. Okay. So we got answer of what? Fifth one. Okay. After that, Sixth question, what form the number using given information? So what information is given to you here? 7,000 plus 400 plus what? 3 units. The information is given here and we have to write the number, or we have to form the number by the given information. Okay. So 7,000 means what? 7,000 means 7000 plus what? 400 means 400 plus 3 unit means nothing but only 3. Okay. So we have to add these numbers. So we will get answer what? 7,403. This will be your answer. Okay. 7,403 will be your answer. Okay. Like this we can form the numbers. Okay. After that, question number 7th one is there. Write the number name of largest 3-digit number. Let us see here. Number is not given, but you have to find out here the number name of largest 3-digit number. Which is the largest 3-digit number? As we know, 999 is the largest 3-digit number. So we can write the name of this number. What? 999. This is your answer. Okay. 999 is the largest 3-digit number. Okay. After that, 8th one, which is the place of 0 in the given number? Okay. We have to find out the place, not place value. Okay. We have to find out what? Only place, not place value. Okay. So what is the place of 0 in the given number? So ones, tens. So 0 is at which place? At tens place. Okay. So answer will be what? Tens place. Okay. Tens place we can write here. Tens place. Okay. So 0 is at the tens place in the given number. Okay. So like this we can find out the answer. After that, question number what? 9 is there. Okay. Question number what? 9 is there. Then how many total digits are there? Okay. As we know, how many total digits are there? There are, how many are there? There are 10 digits in all. How many? Which are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. These 10 digits are there and we use these 10 digits to form any number. Okay. To form any number we use these 10 digits. Okay. After that, question number what? 10. After that, question number what? 10. Find the face value of 8 in the given number. Okay. Last one is there. Okay. Find the what? Face value of 8 in the given number. So we have to find out what? Not place or place value. We have to find out what? Face value. Face value means nothing but the number itself. Okay. Face value means nothing but the number itself. What is the face value of 8 then? The face value of 8 is only 8. Okay. The face value of 8 is only 8. Okay. After that we will move on question number what? 11. Okay. So question number 11 is given here for you. Put the correct sign. So signs are given here. Okay. We have to put one sign from these three signs. Okay. Equal to, greater than or less than. We have to compare these two numbers and we have to put the correct sign in the box. Okay. So numbers are given there 825 and 813. These numbers are not equal, they are not same. So 825 is greater than 813. So we have to put which sign? The sign which is greater than, okay? We have to put this sign, okay? After that, question number what? 12th one is there. What is the 12th question? Circle the smallest number among these, okay? There are some numbers and we have to find out which one is the smallest number. Let us see, first of all we will read all the numbers. 128, 213, 823, 138. Which one is the smallest number? Yes, we can easily find out. The first one is the smallest number. 128 is the smallest number, okay? We can easily find out the answer, okay? After that, question number what? 13 is for you, okay? Circle the greatest number. Which one is the greatest number? We have to find out. So, let us see, I will read once again these numbers for you. 999, 998, 997 and 991. When we read these numbers, we can easily find out which number is the greatest one, okay? So, again first one is what? Greatest number. 999 is the greatest one, okay? After that, question number 14 is for you, okay? Compare the numbers and put the correct signs in the boxes, okay? We have to compare these numbers. 3 numbers are there, 2 boxes are there, so we have to put correct sign. Which number is greater or which number is smaller, we have to compare and we have to put the correct sign, okay, in the given boxes, okay. Now first of all we will compare these 2 numbers, 863, 885. Which one is greater? Yes, 863 is less than 885. So we have to put here sign of less than. After that we have to compare these 2 numbers, okay, 885 and 865. So when we compare these 2 numbers, again we can find out 885 is greater than 865. So like this we can put the symbols in the given boxes, okay. Here we have finished which question? Question number 14. Now we will move on question number what? 15. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. I told you in last video, ascending order means nothing but in increasing order. Increasing order means from list, arranging numbers from least to the largest number, okay, least to the largest number. So first of all we have to find out which is the least number in the given numbers, okay. So 389 least number. After that we have to write what? 419. After that we have to write 536 and last one we have to write 627. So I have arranged here these numbers in what? Ascending order means increasing order. After that question number 16 is for you. Arrange the numbers in descending order. Descending order means what? Decreasing order. Means we have to arrange the number from largest to the least number. So first of all we have to find out which one is the largest number. So in the given number we have to find out largest number. 983 is the largest number. After 983 we have to write 895. After that we have to write 583 and last one 389. So here again I have arranged these numbers in what? Descending order. Okay. After that, question number 17 for you. Which is the next consecutive number of 199? Friends, here there is one new word for you, consecutive number. Consecutive means what? The numbers which come continuously or serially. Okay. Continuously or serially, those numbers are known as what? Consecutive numbers. So the question is, which is the next consecutive number of 199? नेक्स्ट सीरियली आने वाला नंबर कौन सा होगा फिर 199 का? वो होगा which one? 200. That is the next consecutive number of 100 and what? 99. Okay. After that, question number 18. Which is the consecutive number prior? As per I told you, consecutive number means the numbers which occur serially or continuously. Okay. So those are known as consecutive number. Question is, which is the consecutive number prior to 100? Prior means before. 100 से before serially आने वाला number कौन सा है? Which one is the consecutive number prior? Prior means nothing but before to 100, and that will be what? 99. Okay. So your answer is 99. Okay. After that, question number 19th one. Which is the next consecutive even number? We have to find out even number of 48, consecutive even number. As per I told you, consecutive means the numbers which occur continuously or serially. Okay. As we know, 48 का next consecutive number हो जाएगा क्या? 49. But it is not even. It is odd one. And we have to find out which one? Which is the next consecutive even number. 49 is consecutive number after what? 48. But it is odd number. We have to find out even number. So that's why your answer will be what? 50. So answer will be what? 50 is the next consecutive even number of 48. Okay. 48 के बाद में आने वाला नेक्स्ट consecutive even number कौन सा रहेगा? Which one? 50. Okay. After that, next one, question number 20, last one is there. Which is the next consecutive odd number? We have to find out here what? Odd number. As per I told you, consecutive means nothing but the numbers which occur serially or continuously. Okay. So which is the next consecutive odd number of what? 67. Again, next consecutive number of 67 is what? 68. But it is not odd number. It is even number. So our answer will be what? 69. It is odd number. 67 के बाद next आने वाला odd number रहेगा what? 69. So this will be our answer. Okay. So friends, here we have finished the exercise on the lesson number sense. Okay, thank you.